going to show you how to set up step by step the iPhone 12, and this be the same as well as the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, so turn it on, and then you should see like hello there, or hello in a different language. And just first thing is just swipe up like this, and then go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English right here, and then select your country or region. Okay, I'm in the US here, so I'm going to tap on US. Now I'm going to go with a clean start here. I'm just going to set up manually. However, if you have another iPhone, what you can do is bring the iPhone, your other iPhone, close to it. Make sure the Bluetooth on, and then you'll be able to sign in and set up. Okay. Anyway, we're going to do a clean slate here. Set up manually. From here, you want to choose your Wi-Fi network. So mine's right here. Then enter your password. After you put in your password, type join or tap on join. Okay, now we go to data and privacy, tap on continue. You can register a Face ID password here if you want to do it, tap on continue, or you can go ahead and set it up later. I'm going to go ahead and set it up later, so I'll tap on that. Now you will need to create a password or a passcode as well. Okay, so 6 digits here, and you're probably going to have to enter this twice. So there's my first time. Now it's going to ask me one more time. So the second time here. All right. My passcode is created now, or password. Now from here, if you have another phone, you can go ahead from a backup. You can bring everything into the iPhone. You can do it from your iCloud, or from a Mac or PC, or directly from your other iPhone, or you can move data from another Android phone as well. I'm going to do a clean slate, like I said, so I'm going to put down don't transfer apps and data. You need to sign in with your Apple ID here. After you typed in your Apple ID, go ahead and click on return. Now you got to put in your password. After you put in your password, go ahead and click on return. Now you should have got a Apple ID verification on your other phone. Doesn't matter if it's from another iPhone, iOS 10 or above, or your MacBook or Mac OS. Okay, I got my code from my other phone here. I'm going to go ahead and pop in those 6 digits. Okay, just entered the verification code. Terms and condition here, you're going to have to agree to this. Tap on agree. Express settings, you can continue or you can customize settings. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on continue from here. Keep your phone up to date, tap on continue. This is your Apple Pay. You can go ahead and continue, or you can go ahead and set it up later in the wallet, or not even set it up at all if you wish. I'm going to go ahead and just set it up later. You can buy 50 gigs for 99 cents a month on your iCloud. I'm going to click on not now. I don't need it. And this is the iCloud keychain, key passwords, and credit card information you save secure and up to date on devices you approve. Just about everybody clicks on continue, but for me, I'm going to click on don't use iCloud chain. Here's Siri. If you want to go ahead and set that up, hey Siri, you can ask her whatever questions. You can continue and do it now, or you can set it up later in settings. I'll just do it later. Here's screen time. You can basically view like how much screen time you're using. You can continue if you want that, or you can set it up later in settings. I'm going to go with set up later in settings. App analytics, you can share with app developers, or you don't have to share. I'll just go with share with them. True tone display, you can see without true tone display, or you can continue to go with it. I'm going to go with it. Appearance, you can go with the light or the dark one, whichever one you prefer. I'll keep the light for me. Display zoom, you can go with the standard, or you can go with zoomed. I'm going to go with the standard here. Welcome to iPhone, swipe up to get started. There we go. No SIM card installed. Let's go ahead and install the SIM card right now. Go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool. If you look in your box, it should be like in this pamphlet right there. If you don't have that or you lost it, you can always use a thin paper clip or any other SIM ejection tool from a different phone. So here's my SIM card from my other phone. Now go ahead and grab your iPhone 12, and then you want to look on the left side here, left side bottom. See that little hole right there? Go ahead and put the SIM ejection tool in there, and then what you want to do is press in a little bit until it pops out with that lip, and then go ahead and slide this out. Now as soon as you take the SIM card out like this, what you want to do is look on here and you see that little diagonal split right there. Go ahead and grab your SIM card and look for that diagonal cut right there as well. And it's going to go on upside down. Okay, so the metal contacts are pointing up. And then go ahead and grab it just like this. And then it doesn't matter if your phone's on or off. I'm gonna keep mine on, and then I'm gonna slide in slowly, pop it in there, and I'm gonna give it a second to wait for it to find my network. My network's T-Mobile here in the United States. Okay, oh, there we go. T-Mobile. Wow, that was super quick. I'm already up and running. So there you go. You're all set. You can see the mobile data bars right there. I'm good to go. Pretty easy.